Talagang Hi guys, it's your boy Kiru, back at it again with some yapping session na naman. So, today, hindi ako pumasok, which is bad, which is not good. And, I don't know bro, recently sobrang distracted ko. Like, recently sobrang hindi ako present. And I feel like nawala ako sa focus. And, nawala ako sa focus. Suddenly, I'm not locked in anymore. And, I know it's a bad thing. Kasi I should be focusing more, especially malapit nang matapos yung OJT ko. Pero I don't know what the fuck is happening to me. Yeah, sobrang hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyayari sa akin. I mean, aware ako sa pakiramdam, but like, hindi ko siya ma-pinpoint kung saan ba nanggagaling yung nararamdaman ko. You know what I'm saying? Although, may may ano bang tawag dyan? May idea ako kung saan to nanggagaling and all. And I feel like kasalanan ko rin naman kung bakit ko nararamdaman 'tong mga bagay na 'to. But, I don't know, siguro number one reason kung bakit I am being like this right now is because, yun nga, parang somehow I can't really hindi ko pa ma hindi pa matanggap ng sistema ko, ng sarili ko. Hindi ko pa matanggap na ginawa yun sa'kin. I mean, yeah, sa mga friends ko diyan or sa mga manonood nito, if ever man na matagpuan niyo 'tong vid na 'to at kilala niyo ako, I don't care bro. Kung nababanas na kayo kasi ilang beses ko siyang bini-bring up, ilang beses ko siyang inuulit sabihin na sobrang fucked up na nangyari sa'kin and all, wala akong pakialam. Ito yung nararamdaman ko, I just wanna express this kasi I feel like I've been suppressing a lot ever since. And yeah, hindi ko pa rin matanggap na ginawa yun sa'kin. I got cheated on. Tapos ngayon parang, man, parang she's already happy. Habang ako andito, I'm still suffering from the things na ginawa niya. And it's really unfair, no? It's really unfair kasi bakit kailangan lagi tayo yung mag-heal sa mga bagay na ginawa ng ibang tao sa atin. It's really unfair kasi, binigay natin yung lahat natin, yet ganun yung ibabalik sa atin. It's really unfair, it's really sad. And I know ganun talaga. Pero, oh man, like, bakit kami mga taong ganun, man? Like, as in, siguro nasa phase na ako ngayon na ano, yeah, nakausad na ako at lahat-lahat. But like sumasabay lang siya sa pressure ng buhay and nagsasabay-sabay lang lahat-lahat. Kasi, gusto ko na kasi matapos 'to lahat. Like, I swear to God, yung OJT ko gusto ko na 'to matapos, man. And sobrang na-drawn ako sa kagustuhan na yun to the point na parang ayun, like, hindi na ako present. Yun yung ano ko ngayon, yun yung parang iniisip ko ngayon kung bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko. Baka dahil na-distract ako or dala na rin siguro ng mga nararamdaman ko these past few days and months. Or baka dahil siguro tapos na yung One Piece kaya hindi na ako locked in. Pero I guess tama na sa kakahanap ng reason na i-blame and I feel like it's already time to, ano ba yung grammar ko? I don't fucking care. This is my this is my platform. I don't fucking care. I just wanna yap because like I've been really silent this past few days. Although I'm still talking, but like I really don't feel myself. And I tend to go a lot. I tend to go out a lot recently. And andun yung desire ko na lumabas just to feel something, just to feel alive. And nakakalungkot ba yun? Kasi kailangan ko pang lumabas para lang maramdaman ko na buhay ako. I don't know, bro. I don't know what the fuck is happening to me, but like, damn, bro. Nowadays, it's really hard to show up. Pero, syempre, at the end of the day, I only got myself. Yeah, sarili ko lang din naman yung sasagip sa akin or huhugot sa akin pataas ulit, pabalik sa kung saan ako dapat paparoon. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, bro. Nowadays, sobrang hirap mag-show up. Pero, regardless of what I'm fucking feeling, I'm still gonna show up. And, I don't know, gusto ko lang 'to sabihin kasi sobrang sobrang hindi ko talaga ramdam yung sarili ko recently and ayun nga, kailangan ko pa lumabas para lang maramdaman na buhay ako just to feel fucking alive and ayoko ng gano'n. Ayokong umasa lang ako sa mga bagay outside or ayokong dumepende sa mga bagay na nangyayari outside myself. Gusto ko maramdaman kong alive ako within me, within myself. Gusto kong mahanap yung feeling na yun within myself. I mean, yes, it feels good to feel alive because of some other things outside you. You know, beautiful scenery, delicious foods, pa ba? Fantastic movies. But I don't know, bro. I just want to feel alive within. Like, is there anything that I can do? I mean, right now I'm still figuring that out myself, and I just hope that sa mga susunod na buwan, no pressure though. No pressure. I wish that sa mga susunod na buwan at taon, maramdaman ko na talaga ng totoo kung ano yung pakiramdam ng pagiging buhay. And I don't know, bro. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. I feel like that's it sa video na to. Ignore niyo na lang yung mga sinabi ko sa unang part. Pero, yeah, whatever. Yun yung nararamdaman ko eh. Somehow, na unfairan talaga ako. Number one, somehow na unfairan talaga ako kasi she's already happy. She's already, you know, doing good, I guess. And abang ako andito, nagsasuffer, ba? Paying the price. I mean, um, suffering the price that I pay, that I have to pay for peace. And, I don't know, bro. Yun lang. Bye. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Pumasok pa rin kayo kahit hindi niyo ramdam pumasok. Peace out. Bye.